Hi, this session we will discuss about how to work with page concept. It's very powerful and it's very easy to understand also. Pages. Let's say, for example, when you are writing some notes, if one page is completed in that particular book, what we are going to do? We are going to write in another page, right? If that page is also completed, we are going to write it in another page. The same way here we have the page concept. So we are going to implement it here. Let's observe this. Every process will have one main page. Observe this main page. And it can have n number of subpages. There is no limit. To create subpage, we have two options. Observe this. New. Right click, create a new. Automatically it will give the name of page 1. Click OK. Again, if you want to create another page, again right click, new. It will create. And every page, including the main page, you can create a process. Observe this. Even page 1, you can do. Let me implement some calculation here. We are implementing some calculation. Page 2. Page 2 also we are going to implement some calculation, right? And page 1 we will give some number, store it in or okay. And then coming to the page 2, we are going to give some number and then store it in RE result. Now every page, main page we have a process, page 1 we have a process, page 2 we have a process. This page 1 and page 2 we are going to call it as a sub pages or child pages. Sub page or child page. If you are in page 2, see this, we don't have any error. Now we are in page 2. If you want to run the process, observe this. It started in a main page, it ended in a main page. Always your process will start from a main page and it will end in a main page. If you want to run any of your child pages or sub pages, you need to give a reference for that sub page in your main page. How to do that? Observe. Here you have a page shape. Just drag and drop here. Observe the three options. One is to create reference. Second is add new page to create a reference. Next, add a new page without creating a reference. What we required? Let's create a new page. If you want, we can create. Now, page 4. Observe this. Page 4 is created here. Then let's just give the link. That's it. And coming to the main page. Now we need to give reference of page 1 or page 2 or page 4. Then just give create a reference to existing page. Page is already existing. We are creating a reference. Now observe this. When we are creating reference, you can see all the pages available. I'm giving page 2, right? It means now if you are in any of your page, if you are going to run your process, it will trigger page 2. Let's observe this. You are in page 4 now. If you run, it will trigger the page 2. See this? Page 2. Once the page 2 is completed, where the page 2 has been called, it will go there here, right? After the page 2, our requirement is to run page 4. Reference page 4, right? Now give the link. See this? Let's run this. Observe this here, page 2. Once the page 2 is completed, it will come to the main page. Then page 4. Once the page 4 is completed, where it has been called main page. Now, page 1 we need to run. Where? In a page 4. Then what you can do is, observe this. This is subpage, right? Create a reference. Observe this. Which one you need to run? Page 1 I need to run. Give the link. Understood, right? See this. Now, if you run, then it will run every page. Run this. Page 2. Page 2 will run. After that, page 4. Within the page 4, what we have? Page 1. Page 1 will run now. Page 1 completed. Where page 1 is called? In a page 4. It went to the page 4. Page 4 where it has been called? In the page 1. So right. So this is the page concept. So like this, when you are creating any big process, so we will divide the into the different pages, and then we are going to call all those things in a main page. We will see that in going forward examples. Don't worry about this. One more thing here. In a main page, you can call any of your subpages. And at the same time, in your subpage, you can call any of your subpage, but not your main page. The main page, we'll call it as a parent page. These are the child pages. In a child pages, you cannot able to call your parent page. But in parent page, you can able to call your child pages. Remember this. Thank you.